Number 16. VFT Xtreme Shelter. The Xtreme Shelter XS21, coupled with the other items in the Xtreme kit, provides a self-protection option for entrapment in wildland fires. Before deployment, follow the laces technique and choose a safe position away from the direct flame. The Xtreme Shelter has a higher insulation capacity than other devices on the market due to its multi-layer construction of high-quality and durable materials. The VFT 20L water backpack is easy to travel thanks to its lightweight design and packing, also comparable with the proportions of the frontal pockets on True North backpacks, Fireball, Firefly, and Spitfire. Removable without taking off the backpack. Made of aluminum, fiber, and Techstar, it provides total thermal insulation. Number 15. Scorpion 2 Metro. The Scorpion 2 Metro is an excellent TMA for cities, counties, and urban areas with posted speeds of 80 km/h or fewer. The Scorpion 2 Metro is the smallest TL2 Plus MASH TMA on the market, measuring at 2.44 meters and having a vertical storage height of less than 3.4 meters, making it perfect for metropolitan environments. The Scorpion 2 Metro, like the rest of the Scorpion line of impact attenuators, is modular in design, crushing in stages to slow the vehicle and allow for easy repair of broken pieces. This lowers your repair expenses and helps to decrease waste entering landfills. Number 14. EnGo Slim. The EnOPlanet team has contributed to smart, attractive, and sophisticated cities. Their idea is simple: use solar electricity for streetlights. The solar panels of an EnGo thin streetlight generate around 40 watts of power. This is plenty for current LED bulbs. The lamp is resistant to extreme weather conditions and can withstand temperatures ranging from -40 degrees to 85 degrees. Number 13. Zebra Zero. Zebra Zero is a basic invention that allows for easy and efficient designation of bicycle lanes. Zebra blocks are produced from recycled plastic, making them 40% lighter than similar items. The blocks have 4 mounting hooks for easy and secure attachment to any hard surface. Zebras have stripes for a purpose. The reflective inlays cover 40% of each block. Number 12. Mistcooling misting system. Using high prices, it's time to cool down using misting systems. Options range from simple and economical to complicated and high-end. For a quick and easy answer, choose the Orbit 2066. Starting at $20, this umbrella is quick to set up and ideal for poolside relaxation. Number 11. Qomolo Q-Truck. The Q-Truck has a 360-degree vision of its surroundings and travels with incredible precision, within 2 centimeters accuracy. The clever technology allows for simultaneous activities, such as routing several orders. Currently, the Q-Truck has a peak speed of 40 kilometers per hour and a range of 150 km on full charge. Number 10. ISON's Drone Charging Station. The ISON team recommends using masts with extendable pads to meet drones. These platforms may reach heights of up to 15 meters and have a wide range of applications. Consider integrating CCTV cameras, solar panels, and weather equipment. For example, streetlights may be programmed to automatically turn on and off. Number 9. SEGO Charger. Going off-grid or exploring the world may be amazing experiences, but you don't want to get too far away from your portable chargers and electronics. What if there was a better way to charge your gadgets without using standard methods? SEGO Innovations, established by BYU grads, is launching a revolutionary solar charger that incorporates a NASA-grade technology. Charging your devices with the SEGO Solar Charger is incredibly easy. Once you've connected your devices, place the charger in a well-lit area and let the sun do the rest. It comes with an adjustable tripod, allowing you to maneuver it to the optimum sunlit angle. Because the device is so portable, you can take it wherever you go, whether hiking in remote areas, camping in the great outdoors, or just using it as a backup charger when you're on the go. Number 8. OROS technology empowers anyone to excel in off-road driving. The AI system analyzes the terrain through sensors and instantly adjusts settings like torque and suspension. OROS can be integrated into both existing and upcoming models. For instance, consider the Adventure 1. This prototype minivan boasts 604 horsepower, dual electric motors, sleeping quarters, all-wheel drive, and a kitchenette. It can travel up to 160 kilometers off-road on a single charge. Number 7. Mowrator S1. The Mowrator S1 is the world's first consumer-grade remote control lawnmower. It has a 21-inch blade and is particularly designed to handle difficult slopes, tricky lawns, and vast gardens with ease and efficiency. Other robotic lawn mowers on the market use smaller razors or 4-star blades, which may be ineffective in cutting difficult grass. However, the Mowrator S1 employs a genuine blade, much like a standard gas mower, to ensure that it can handle any circumstance and do the work effectively. Mowrator S1 is engineered to withstand difficult terrain like slopes, ditches, and uneven fields. With 4-wheel drive, there is no job it cannot handle. You don't have to worry about getting stuck on rough terrain anymore. Mowrator S1 has impressive off-road capability. Number 6. Kangoo Jumps. They not only improve weight loss 20% and stamina 17%, but also help correct posture and speed up rehabilitation. These adaptable sneakers are appropriate for both indoor and outdoor use. This allows you to build tension while sprinting. The basic version may support persons weighing up to 90 kilos. This product is available in 5 sizes, XS to XL, with double protection and springs that can last up to 100 hours each. Additional advantages include greater sleep, increased productivity, and less anxiousness. Number 5. OTTOBOCK GENU AREXA. Leg injuries can occur during ordinary activities such as shopping or work, not only sports. Statistics show that the amount of injuries, including sprains and bruising, doubles during the winter months. Orthoses are commonly used by doctors to support joints and promote recovery. This device helped a patient with a damaged anterior cruciate ligament after a skiing accident. The orthosis is available in several sizes and should be worn throughout the night. The design is tailored for the leg and does not disrupt relaxation. A specifically designed workout program called GENU Move may be done at home to speed up the recuperation process. Number 4. Push Spike Aerator. To keep your lawn looking lush and vibrant, it's essential to ensure it gets enough oxygen. Regularly using an aerator while walking on your grass is a great way to achieve this. This tool punctures the soil, creating channels that allow additional air to reach the roots. Additionally, it enhances the effectiveness of fertilization. This particular aerator is built with 5 specially designed tines, making it twice as durable. It features 60 teeth that penetrate up to 5 centimeters deep. For even better results, there's a weight tray on top that can hold up to 16 kilograms, adding extra pressure for deeper aeration. Number 3. Silence S04 Micro Car. Let's journey to Spain, where these tiny cars crafted by an electric scooter company have made an entrance. Interestingly, many reviewers categorize them as electric scooters, and it's easy to see why with their compact size of 2.3 by 1.3 meters. Despite their small footprint, the features are noteworthy. The S04 model accommodates 2 passengers, can travel up to 148 kilometers on a single charge, and reaches a top speed of 84 kilometers per hour. Standard features include air conditioning, heating, a Bluetooth-enabled audio system, a digital dashboard, and electric windows. European regulations require only a moped license to operate this vehicle. Number 2. Matternet Station. Drones, whose usage areas have increased rapidly recently, may become indispensable tools for hospitals and laboratories in the coming years. This system, which will be established by the logistics company Matternet, will be the world's first delivery network with autonomous drones. Autonomous drones in this delivery network, it will carry various medical materials, especially blood tests, between hospitals, laboratories, and clinics in the region. In this way, the delivery time of medical supplies will be reduced to less than 30 minutes. This autonomous delivery system is controlled by new generation mailboxes called Matternet Station. These stations, which are approximately 2 square meters in size, can be installed on the ground or on the roofs, and packages can be sent and received between these stations with drones. Users who want to send a package determine the delivery details using Matternet's application and can easily send packages up to 2 kilograms to other stations with autonomous drones. Number 1. Permanent marine barriers. These are used for both rubbish collection and oil spills. The floats are composed of high-strength polyethylene and filled with polyurethane foam. They may be easily replaced and attached to the barrier with stainless steel screws. The manufacturer claims that the barriers are effective against currents, wind, and salt water. They are also effective for defending ports and marinas.